So hi guys, it's me Deepak, and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 tips that you should use while using Android Studio. So guys, if you're using light mode, please guys have some pity on your eyes and switch to dark mode. You just need to click on preferences, move to appearances, and change the setting there. So you have to click on appearances here, theme, you have to click on Dracula, and then just apply it. It's much better on your eyes. And tip 2, method separator. So guys, when you're writing long codes and there are so many functions, you get confused with the parentheses. So it's a great help. You just have to click on editor, then general, then click on appearances, and then check that show method separator button, and that you have those separators separating your methods, your functions, and your code look clean. Also, you should reformat your code also. That's bonus. So let's see tip 3. So tip 3 is a shortcut. You just have to for constructors and getters, I mean, you just have to use command and buttons to get those. So as you can see here, I have many private many variables here, like I'm title, I'm author, and if I want to have get functions so that I can call in and have this value for other classes, I can just press command and I have this getter, constructor, toString, and here I can select all these variables. And if you are thinking that why get m title is not there and get title is there, I have changed the settings of my Android Studio to the prefix m will be eliminated when I'm using this getter and constructor type functions. And if you want to see how I did this, so you just have to go to preferences, click on code style of editor, and then you just have to check m here on the prefix side, and it will be eliminated whenever you are using constructor or getter. It won't be there. So you click on editor, code style, Java, and here you can see field name prefix m is there. And if I remove m from there and I redo this step, like press command and then select getter and then select all those variables, you can see I have m there now. So I definitely don't want m, because when you're writing codes you forget it, you had get m title, not get title, and it get confusing sometimes. So it's a better option, just have m there. And so this is basically tip 4. And here you can select two strings. So if you want to see the whole code, just click subscribe and comment down that you want me to show you how I write this code at this app. This is basically an app where I'm using Flickr API. So if you're interested, comment down below. And the last one is override functions, guys. So when you're using async task or those classes, when you have to, they force you to use override functions. So there's a shortcut key. You just have to press Control and O for both Windows and Mac, and here you can select any override function from the list. So here I have just commented my on post execute, and I'm just pressing Control O, and here you can see I have the option for on post execute. So these are just few simple tricks that you can use to save a lot of time while coding, because you're already coding, you're using that much of your mental capacity, and then you're searching for buttons. So it's just a way of better writing your code. And also guys, reformat your code, it helps, it saves a lot of time. So guys, if you like this video, consider subscribing, like the video, comment down below how, if you are already new about these tricks, or if there are some more that you want to share with me or with other people that watching this video. So write in the comment section.